Yo, I'm looking for some credit, boy. You know how to sell credit, aren't you?
Yeah, I look for
Credit. For
credit.
Yeah, for food.
One man I sell credit down there, sir.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay.
You have to go straight down, sir.
Yeah.
You understand? Boss a right, boss a left, boss a right, boss a left, boss a right, boss a left. You understand?
Yeah.
Then I go meet one straight corner. After you pass the corner, you go see a red stone and me paint it. You understand?
I don't
You have
check.
to Eve over the stone, right?
Yeah.
You cannot go around the stone, you have to Eve over the stone.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah,
After you Eve over the stone, you do like Usain Bolt and do 100 meter. You do 100 meter, you go straight. You go make two little boy, them rude.
Yeah.
One name, what his name? Mackerel, one name banana. One name banana.
Yeah.
You see it? After you pass them boy there, you have to go swim 100 meter again. Pass the Pacific.
What?
After you pass the Pacific, you go down, you touch the Titanic, come back up. Then
Fuck that one going, right?